Home? Sick Boris? Do you ever think about going back? Don't fret, Fido. I'm sticking here until I'm sure you can stand on all 4 feet. You're taking care of me. Don't thank me. I smell herring. The herring are flying south too? Say, must be muck and luck. Good news.
Uncle Boris.
Oh no, how sweet. Uncle Boris. No hugging, no licking. Uncle Boris! Oh! Hui! Bra. He says he's glad to see you. We love you, Uncle Boris. Give! Hui. About? Of course he's glad to see us. He loves us. Don't you? Hey, okay. Hey, boy chicks, let's play a game. Yes, please, Uncle Boris. Race you to the shore. 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah! They win. Help! Help! I can't swim! Help! We're drowning! Help! Save us, please! Bears! Fellas! Idiot balls of fluff! Easy, Boris. You know how they are. Look! Relax. Hey, come on, you're okay. You're not drowning. He has point, Bears. You are not drowning because, if you'll pause one moment, you will observe perhaps. Tide is out! He said what? Oh, the shame of the polar bear who fears the water. No wonder we are shunned by our fellow bear. Woe is us. It's what he said. Kind of pathetic, really. What? More whimpering between you and Balto is like Dostoevsky novel around here. Lighten up. And what is so interesting? Jenna is love. So go make a move. When the angels balalaika strum the sweet song of love. Mambo! Nah, she's not my type. And why not? This wolf business again. Now what's wrong with being half and half, I like to know. Sometimes I wish like crazy I was half eagle. Why? Better profile for one thing. And no one needs you for another.